Dear students, welcome to Amar Ghare Amar School, and also welcome to Pokirat Online School. How are you? I hope you are safe and sound, and I am also sure that you are staying at home now. Today I am here with you. I am Dulal Kumar Mondol, Assistant Teacher of Attaka Kiali Pilot Secondary School, Pokirat, Bagirhat. Dear learners, today we will learn about transformation of sentence. So let's start. Transformation of sentence. Dear students, do you know what is the transformation of sentence? Yes, transformation of sentence is a kind of way that you have to change the structure of the sentence, but you cannot change the meaning of the sentence at all. Dear students, all of you know there are 5 types of sentences. They are assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. Dear students, now we are going to talk about affirmative to negative at first. Affirmative to negative. Dear students, now come to the first two. Only, alone. Dear students, let me write 3 sentences at first. Only Allah can help us. Number 2, I gave Mita only a departure card. Number 3, Jim was only 20. Dear students, you can see only is used in the 3 sentences, but their position is not same. Now come to the first sentence. Only is demonstrating the word Allah. When the word only demonstrates Allah, God, or any person, and if you want to change into negative, only turns into non-verb. So we can do non-verb. Non-verb, Allah can help us. Help us. Now come to the second sentence. In this sentence, only is demonstrating a departure card. A departure card is not a person, it is a thing. When the word only demonstrates anything, and if you want to change into negative, it becomes nothing but. So we can do I gave Mita nothing but a departure card. Dear students, now come to the third sentence. You can see this is an affirmative sentence. In this sentence, only is demonstrating the word 20. When only demonstrates any number, and if you want to make it negative, only becomes not more than or not less than. So we can do G was not more than 20. Dear students, I hope that all of you have understood. Now, dear students, come to the second rule. Rule 2. Must. Dear students, look at the bold. You must obey your parents. Dear students, if you see before the verb modal auxiliary must, and if you want to change into negative, you have to use cannot but. So we can write you cannot but obey your parents. In other way, you can complete it. If you use cannot help instead of must, you have to add ing with the verb. So we can write you cannot help obeying your parents. I hope all of you have understood. Now come to the third rule. FD. FD mother loves her child. Dear students, if you see this kind of affirmative sentence and if you want to change into negative, at first you have to use there is no plus noun plus what plus next part of the sentence. So we can write there is no mother but loves her child. In the other way, you can change into negative, such as there is no mother who does not love her child. Dear students, if the verb is past form, you have to use who did not. I hope all of you have understood the rule. Now come to the fourth rule. As soon as soon as we reached the station, the train left. Dear students, you can see that this is an affirmative sentence. When you see the phrase as soon as is an affirmative sentence and you want to change into negative, you have to use no sooner had at first. After that subject plus verb 3 plus next part of the clause. Then you have to omit comma and you have to use then instead of comma. After that you have to add next clause. So we can write no sooner had we reached the station, then the train left. Now, I hope that all of you have understood. Now, dear learners, go to the fifth rule. To order to. He is too weak to walk. Dear students, you can see that this is an affirmative sentence. If you see 2 in an affirmative sentence and want to change into negative, you have to use so instead of 2. After that, you have to use conjunction that instead of 2. Dear learners, you must remember that if the verb is present form, you have to use cannot after the subject. On the other hand, if the main verb becomes past form, you have to use would not after the subject. So we can write he is so weak that he cannot walk. Dear learners, I hope that all of you have understood. Dear students, now come to the sixth rule. Both and or and. Dear students, let me write 2 sentences at first. Both Dina and Tina can do the sum. We gave him food and shelter. Dear students, if you see both and or only and in an affirmative sentence and you want to change into negative, you have to use not only but also. So we can write not only Dina but also Trina can do the sum. Next, we gave him not only food but also shelter. Dear students, I hope that all of you have understood. Now come to the seventh rule. Always opposite word sometimes. Dear students, now I am writing 3 sentences at first. Please, all of you, look at the whiteboard. I always agreed with him. Next, man is mortal. Next, I sometimes visit my aunt. Dear students, in the first sentence, we can see always. When you see always in an affirmative sentence, you have to use never instead of always. After that, you have to use opposite word. So we can write I never disagreed with him. Now come to the second sentence. Dear students, this is an affirmative sentence. If you see this kind of sentence, and if you want to change into negative, you have to use only opposite word. So we can write man is not immortal. Now come to the third sentence. Dear students, in the third sentence you can see sometimes. When you see sometimes in an affirmative sentence and you want to make it negative, you have to use not always instead of sometimes. So we can write I do not always visit my aunt. Dear student, I am sure that all of you have understood. Now come to the next rule. Rule no 8. Universal truth. The sun rises in the east. Dear students, this is an affirmative sentence. If you see this kind of sentence and you want to change into negative, you have to use negative interrogative. So we can write doesn't the sun rise in the east? I am sure that all of you have understood. Students, now come to the next rule, and it is the last rule of the affirmative to negative sentence. Rule 9. many, a little, there are many people in this village. Dear students, if you see this kind of sentence and you want to change into negative, you have to follow this instruction, such as many, not a few. You will use not a few instead of many. A few, not many. Dear students, you will have to use not many instead of a few. A little, not much. You can use not much instead of a little. Much, not a little. Dear students, you must use not a little instead of much. Now we can write there are not a few, many instead of not a few people in this village. Dear students, all of you have enjoyed my class. I am sure that you have understood all grammatical points properly. Now I am going to give you a homework. Please see and write. Can you see? Yes. Dear students, your homework is affirmative to negative. Number 1. Only the moon was visible. Next, you can go there. Next, a patriot loves his country. Next, every rose has a thorn. Next, I have a few books. Dear learners, have you finished your writing? Yes, you have finished your writing. Dear students, after opening your school, you must submit it to your subject teacher. Dear students, thank you very much from the core of my heart. See you again. Bye.